As cases rise in Ohio and Indiana, Northern Kentucky is also seeing a surge start there.
Local 12's James Pilcher spoke to that area's top health official. He joins us now live from the Breaking News Center. James, what'd you find out?
Good afternoon, Kyle, and thanks. Yeah, I spoke with Northern Kentucky Health Department Medical Director Dr. Lynn Sadler today. She said the area is starting to see record numbers of cases. As you can see from this motion graphic, the number of new cases by week has increased steadily over the last month and a half. This week's results aren't in yet. In early September, there were only 71 reported for Boone, Kenton, Campbell, and Grant counties, but last week there were more than 325, more than triple that of late August and early September. Dr. Sadler said more numbers may be added to last week's totals. That would make it the highest weekly number in the region since the pandemic started. In addition, she warned that the area's spread rate is climbing. That's the number of cases per 100,000 population. Now, none of the areas are in the red category. That's the highest in Kentucky, and that's anything over 25 per 100,000. But Boone now stands at 15.1 per 100,000, and Kenton is at 12.1. The death rate hasn't climbed significantly, but that and hospitalizations are trailing indicators, and Sadler worries that the worst may be yet to come. I also asked her about spread from those neighboring counties such as Dearborn and Hamilton County, where the rates are even higher.
But we know that what drives deaths, what drives hospitalization, healthcare capacity issues and whatnot, is what is happening in the community. And as case numbers rise and rise quicker, then you run that risk of more hospitalizations, more deaths occurring. We don't have to wait till our house is on fire before we start taking actions to prevent the fire from happening or to control the fire that starts in the kitchen. And, and that's really what we're asking people to do.
And to that end, she is asking for people not to get together with social gatherings. She says that's a big part of the spread. Now, yesterday I talked to St. Elizabeth's. That's the Northern Kentucky's largest hospital chain. They say that hospitalizations there are more than doubled in the last month, but they're still not near capacity. Still, the chain is going to renew and relook at its surge plans. And just today, Boone County Schools delayed going back into in-person classes 4 days a week. They were planning to do it next week. Now they say they're going to wait until at least the end of the month. Live in the Breaking News Center, James Pilcher, Local 12 News.